Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about Next.js 13. So what is Next.js? Why we need Next.js? What are the dependencies, the trade-offs, and alternatives to Next.js? What is Next.js? Next.js is an open source web development framework which is created by ourselves, enabling React-based web applications with server-side rendering and generating static websites. It's more popularly known as React Framework for Production. React is basically an unopinionated simple library, which is great for creating some compelling, responsive, rich user interfaces using components, which it does really well. But does it really cover every aspect of making up a complete production-ready web application? Well, there are many other aspects of a web application apart from user interface like builds, caching, routing, image optimization, bundle splitting, static content generation, server-side rendering, search engine optimization, and deployment. All of the above is taken care by Next.js with zero configuration and much more, so that we don't have to think much about them. Next.js is a powerful application framework that is built on top of React. Believe it or not, all this is coming to us for free. Next.js is created by ourselves and makes its deployment process for Next a hell lot easier than other hosting providers. Why we need Next.js? So apart from the point that we discussed in the last slide, Next.js handles tooling and configuration needed for React and provides additional structure, features, and optimization for your application. The key features built in includes file-based routing, automatic bundle splitting, automatic lazy loading, server-side rendering, static site generation, TypeScript support, fresh refresh and builds, and dynamic page title and head tags. What are the dependencies for Next.js? The first one is React because it is built on top of React. So React is required for developing components for pages in web application. Second one is Node.js. Node.js is required for server-side rendering, web APIs, and sub-dev tools. Next is we need the next dependency is SVC and Babel, which is and SVC stands for Speedy Web Compiler. Next.js requires them for compilation. The next one is Webpack, which is for bundling, and plus around 200 dependencies are configured behind the scene in the Next.js package. What are the trade-offs of Next.js? Some points to consider. It is very highly opinionated framework, which means that you need to work with that what Next.js provides. There is very less scope for flexibility with the framework. Since Next.js uses Node, it requires a server to host the application, thereby increasing the size and complexity of your application. If these points are okay to consider, then it's a great choice to go for production-ready applications. Apart from this, it's important to know what the alternatives to Next.js. So some of the alternatives which can be considered are White, Remix, Gatsby, Redwood.js, Hydrogen. So this is much for this video, but I'll be making more videos on Next.js. So stay tuned. I'll be comparing Next.js with the other alternatives like White, Remix, Gatsby, Redwood, and Hydrogen, so that it becomes very clear which framework we are going to go ahead with. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.